Hello friends, I hope you're quite well, and here 10.5 article in text file with 1000 different category you can use anywhere, or you can make a website for article or anywhere you can copy paste, but these are protected. First you need subscription. Go to sherryskpwd.com, just one time payment for lifetime access, and here all password of my all file. Okay, for example, open this one. You see here 54 folder of article in text file with different categories. For example, I open this one article, and here 13 different categories. Solar power for home, solar power for home articles. Okay, open this one. How to install a solar power for home. So you can read it. Solar power for home using. Okay, here weight loss, personal finance, internet marketing. Here 21 article about this category, internet marketing. $150, and here 709 folder. Air ambulance, air fight, blog, internet security, internet marketing, internet safety for kids, internet marketing, internet banking, international airports, info product, indoor gardening, India travel, improve memory. Open this one. Here 25 article in text file. Health body, healthy mind. Okay. Same thing here. You need extract for this article. Finance. Here 1396 article. I hope these are useful for you. Subscribe me, and you need subscription for access of my file. Take care. Allah Hafiz.